Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Here I am, your science teacher Khadija, with my lecture number 10 for class 5 from New Oxford Primary Science. Is part 2 of your book named as Living Things, and the unit number is 3 named Life Functions. So let's start. As you know, students, in my previous two lectures, I have explained you all life functions given in your book, and this is the last lecture of unit number 3. In this lecture of mine, I would be giving you the answers of the questions which are included in your syllabus, and those are question number 1, 2, 4, and 7. And the exercises included in your syllabus are 1, 2, 3, and 7. And those are of choose the correct answer, match the definition in column A with correct term in column B, fill in the blanks, true and false statements, and label the diagram. In the beginning, I would be telling you about some words which might be new for you and used in this unit are sensitivity, locomotion, barnacle, photosynthesis, rafflesia, exhaled, stomata, reproduction, excretion, and parasites. I explained you the meanings of these words while I was explaining you the unit in my previous lectures. Okay, let's start from the questions and answers. Question number 1 is, what is one important thing that plants can do but animals cannot? The answer is, plants can make their own food but animals cannot make their own food. Question number 2 is, why do animals move from place to place? The answer is, animals move from place to place to find food and water to avoid danger. This movement is called locomotion. Question number 4 of your book is, give an example of a plant that does not make food by photosynthesis. How does it get energy? The answer is, Rafflesia is a parasite. It does not have green leaves and cannot make its own food. It gets energy or food made by other plants. Question number 7 of your book is, what are Antony? Which animal have them and what are they used for? The answer is, antennae are feelers or sensory organs on the head of insects. Nearly all insects have antennae except spider. They are used for smelling and feeling. So now we will start the exercises of your book, and the first exercise is of choose the correct answer. Number 1 is, what does locomotion use up? The four options are A. Energy, B. Air, C. Petrol, D. Coal. And the right answer is A. Energy. Number 2 is, which of these functions is performed by all living things? Four options are A. Breathing through the nose, B. Respiration, C. Breathing into lungs, and D. Breathing through spiracles. And the right answer is B. Respiration. Number 3 is, which of the following is waste product which human exhale? Four options of number 3 are A. Oxygen, B. Air, C. Smoke, and D. Carbon dioxide. And the right answer is D. Carbon dioxide. Number 4 is, fishes have a sixth sense. What is it? Four options are A. Hairs on its body, B. Stripes on its body that hide it, C. A line along its body that allows the fish to feel vibration in the water, and D. The ability to read the minds of other aquatic creatures. And the right answer is D. The ability to read the minds of other aquatic creatures. Number 5 is a fly tastes with its. Four options are A. Feeler, B. Antony, C. Feet, D. Tongue. And the right option is C. Feet. Now in exercise number 2, you have to match the definition in column A with the correct term in column B. I will show you how to match them, but in your notebooks, you have to do the matching with a sharp pencil and a ruler. Number 1 is the ability of living things to move from one place to another. And we'll match it with C, option C, and that is locomotion. Number 2 is the ability of living things to feel things around them. And we will match number 2 with D, and that is sensitivity. Number 3 is the process by which living things take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. And we'll match 3 with option B, and that is respiration. Number 4 is the process by which living things continue to extend their species. And we will match option 4 with A, reproduction. Now we come exercise 3 of your book, in which you have to complete the sentence by filling the blanks. Number 1 is plants make their own food by a process called dash, and the answer is photosynthesis. Number 2, plants and animals take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. This process is called dash, and the answer is respiration. Number 3, animals can move from place to place. This movement is called dash. Answer is locomotion. Number 4, rafflesia is called dash. Answer is parasite. Number 5, insects breathe through dash. Answer is spiracles. Number 6, a snake's tongue picks up dash from the air and ground. The answer is chemical particles. Number 7, fish breathe through their dash. The answer is gills. In exercise 7, you have to mark these sentences with true or false. Students, you can write down true or false in front of these sentences, or you can mark them with a tick or cross. Number 1 is the hummingbird hovers while it feeds. The sentence is true. Number 2 is fish do not chew food, and the sentence is true. Number 3 is animals take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen while breathing. Sentence is false. Number 4 is the lateral line can be found in some plants. The sentence is false. Number 5 is plants reproduce by producing seeds or spores, and the sentence is true. You have to draw and label the diagram of a plant showing the process of photosynthesis with your sharp pencil, and the labelings that you will show in the diagrams are sun, carbon dioxide, water, and oxygen. As we have completed unit number 3, so in the end, I want to give you a home assignment that you will do in your notebooks in a very neat and beautiful handwriting, and of course with your fountain pen. You have to complete all the exercises 1, 2, 3, 7 in your notebooks, and then you have to learn and write the answers of question number 1, 2, 4, 7 of your syllabus in your notebook. Then you will be drawing a neat colored and labeled diagram of photosynthesis process shown on page number 25. This work you will do on the plain page of your notebook with a sharp pencil, of course, and you will color it beautifully. So that's the end. Thank you. Thank you, dear students. Stay home, stay glam, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.